Mommy's here!
Wow.
Mommy! Erin! That's it.
Kala mo, tagal ko nawala.
Mommy! Mommy! Ay! Mommy! You're back! You're back!
Yes, I'm back. Erin naman. Uy, yung burger mo, di ba?
I didn't finish the burger. I wanted to finish the burger.
Hi, baby!
Everything's back.
Parang binibenta na lang yung mga...
It's the corn. I'll bring you back the corn. I need to bring back the corny. Wow, my gosh. Okay, guys, we have the amogus again. We have the, oh my gosh, we have the wood block. Give me the crafting table. We're just gonna put things inside of it, and let's see what will it turn into. It is a super crafting table. Beneficial, everything. And just gonna, I added this. It's now a sword. Wow! It's now a stick with a powerful gem. Oh no! Okay, guys, now we have this. It's now a powerful gem. We're gonna try the powerful gem because this powerful gem can curse us. Guys, if you don't know, this is what we do at home. We play like this. Okay, let's get the powerful gem, or else everyone will be cursed in the ErosErin Love Animals world. Yay! Here we go. Oh, yes, we bought it. Yay! Let's throw in the trash. And under the trash can is the incinerator. Yay! Okay, this one. Oh my god, it's a villain, evil villain. Ah! Throw into the trash incinerator. Yay! Oh my god, it's burning to death. Row, row, row. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh, it's wood. I'm gonna mix up things again. Well, that just made the evil gemstone. What if we mix more? Hiya, hiya, hiya. Hey, yep. Oh my god, it's a mixing up. What is it gonna turn into? Pop, 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 pop. Oh my gosh, it's another villain. Oh my gosh, it's trying to get me. It's getting closer to me. Ah! Throw it to the incinerator. It's burning. Yay, it's death. Now I'm gonna mix them up more. These are all the elements. We have crafting table element. We have wood element. We have pill element. We have marker element. We have coal element. Maybe remote and coal. Oh, we have plastic element. We have card element. We have light switch element. Hey. We have incinerator element. We have poisonous gem element. Let's keep going. We have rainbow element. We have clay element. Next we have metal. And that's all our elements in here. And we can mix with this crafting table to make brand new elements. What if I mix wood and metal? What are we gonna get from wood and metal? We got marker! Brand new marker element. Again, metal plus marker. Oh, what is that? Oh, we got more wood. We got more wood. Okay, let's just. Oh wait a minute. Oh my gosh, I haven't unlocked this. How did I get that? I'll mix all the elements I have. Pill, remote, metal, marker, and wood. I'm gonna mix it up. Hi-ya-ya-ya-ya. Whoa! We got rainbow element. Let's go. We got rainbow. We got rainbow. Okay, pill. Oh my gosh. Plus marker plus rainbow equal. Oh my gosh. Okay, equals plastic. Yeah. Oh my gosh. But we mix all of the elements in here. We might get our. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's rainbow inside here now. Just put marker, remote, this, pill, yes, and I forgot metal. Put metal. Oh my gosh. Oh no. My gosh. Crafting table element. Crafting table element plus crafting table element plus pail plus wood. Please. Plus marker plus metal plus remote. What will we get? Realm! What is that? I've never seen this before. I didn't mention this element. Oh my gosh. It's space element. You see this? You see the Earth? Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Space element. Okay guys, we need something here. Oh my. Okay guys, we're gonna. Yep. Pail plus marker plus wood plus remote plus sword. I got sword. Guys, here's the rarest element. Okay guys, we're just gonna end the video with here. We're gonna make a part 3 with brand new elements in part 3. So guys, if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. Comment what element I should make. Whoop!